Hey guys, it's Diamond. And today we can see here is a finished product, and this is the V6 trifle, and the leather is the taro. So if you guys like the leather, you can go search the taro in my shop. And because the trifle, I didn't sell a lot trifle in my shop before, and today I just have this order, and she make this order in the trifle V6 Slim. So let's go see inside. Okay, we open, we can see my shop logos here, and this is the front cover. Yes, and in the before, the front cover here is just blank, and today I make this order, and I just have this opportunity to think about the trifles and redesign it. Okay, so we can see the inside is just like a regular folio pockets in each side, and before the trifle here is the blanket, and only has a mark that showing on the button. So today I just think about, okay, why not do something and to add more something to the trifle and make it more functional and more useful. Yes, that the pocket, that the cover just not only a cover, and I just want to add some features in these covers too. So I didn't tell the customer that I will going to add this piece of the pocket in the cover. That I didn't tell her. Yes, but I just, sometimes when I am making some products, I just making and thinking together. So before I didn't sell a lot trifle in my shop, so just today let me have the opportunities to redesign it again, and I'm just so happy that I have this chance to make it again. Yes, so we can see I add this on my trifles cover. Yes, and I feel this is very functional, and you can see you can just start your cars here, or anything you want to put here, that's okay. And also the back is a big room. Yes, so because I think maybe just a folio, and the folio pocket will already slide in the notebook's cover. So here has a very big space, and it's empty, it's blank. So why not just do something more? Yes, and I'm not sure the customer will happy that I do this or not, but I just add it to her and not get any extra charge. Yes, because sometimes I just tell you guys, sometimes I will give you guys the surprise when you receive the notebook. Okay, so we can see this is the trifle in a V6 Slim, and it's really good looking. Yes, so we can see the buttons here, and because taro is a very soft leather and thin leather, so we can see if you put the notebook inside, it will become more sturdy. Okay, so now it's just without any notebook inside, it's just very soft and fluffy. Okay, so let you guys see close the trifle. Okay, so hope you guys will love the video today, and see you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.